Hello, I'm Donna LaVoie, CEO of LaVoieHealthScience, a leading independent health and science strategic communications firm serving clients around the globe. The Biotechnology Industry Organization has asked my firm to share our thoughts about creating a great elevator pitch.
Having a solid elevator pitch is an essential element in corporate storytelling at Bio's global partnering and investor conferences, which allow companies to discuss their pipeline, R&D activities, and future goals to an exclusive audience of investors and licensing partners.
Let's begin with what is an elevator pitch and why every person and organization should have one. An elevator pitch is exactly that. It's short, high-level summary on your story ready to be delivered in the time it takes for an elevator ride, approximately 1 minute. Everyone needs to be able to give an elevator pitch, both for themselves and for their company. This pitch serves as a verbal advertisement of services delivered at a moment's notice to make a great impression. So, what qualities make a great elevator speech? I would suggest you and the message you deliver must be authentic, succinct, listener-focused, compelling, unique, and memorable. It's also important to think about who you're talking to and tailor your response to them. Is it a family member at a holiday party or a fellow industry veteran talking about your newest endeavor? You'll likely find that you need to explain things differently to different audiences. By customizing your pitch, you'll find that you increase engagement with your story and perhaps find opportunities that otherwise may be lost in a canned pitch. Regardless of who you're talking to, you want to use your elevator pitch to define you and your organization quickly by answering the following questions. Who are you? What do you do? Who do you do it for? And lastly, how do you do it? In a moment, I'll share an example of an elevator pitch, but first let's talk about the process for creating one. Write down the answers to the questions and link them in a paragraph. Speak it aloud in your own way of speaking. Cut it down to fewer than 100 words in less than 1 minute. Practice your pitch independently and with friends and family until you can transition into a pitch comfortably and readily share the key components with different audiences. Use it often and refine it as needed. There are a lot of great elevator pitches out there that you can use as examples. However, for the purposes of this video, we'll focus today on the company story I know best, LaVoieHealthScience. Here's my pitch. LaVoieHealthScience is an integrated strategic communications agency. We focus on helping health and science companies engage key audiences to build value through access and to reach critical stakeholders. We approach our clients' needs through the lens of each target stakeholder to develop solutions and achieve their business goals. Our firm has developed more than 100 communications plans for healthcare companies around the globe. I know that many of you have great stories just waiting to be told, and I hope you'll find this information helpful as you create or refine your elevator pitch.